Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So guys, are you looking for unique Fiverr gigs ideas to start making money in 2021? I know most of the new sellers face this problem to how to start the Fiverr gig and how to sell it them. I have a solution guys. So today in this video I will share with you the most searchable trending Fiverr gig ideas to start making money in 2021. You can start this gig without any skills and knowledge. I clearly explain in this video how to start these 5 gigs ideas friends. Guys, before starting this video, please subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon to get the instant notification when I release the new video. Guys, after watching this video, if you think this video was very helpful to you, please put some like and share with your friends. Friends, my first gig idea is writing motivational quotes. This gig you need to know just a copy and paste method, otherwise you don't need any skills to start this gig. First I show you the competitor of the gigs and how they earn. In fiverr.com I searched motivational quotes and I got some results. Now we can see some related keywords to our Fiverr gig. Guys, they suggest me inspirational quotes, Instagram quotes and love quotes and more etc. In below, you have plenty of people offering the service to create motivational quotes, love quotes and more. Guys, in my next video, I will teach you how the Fiverr SEO work and how to get more sell. Click the subscribe bell icon to get the instant notification. Now go to our video. Guys, you can see this gig. They offer 100 motivational business quotes for Instagram and they offer at 386 price. Okay, if you don't know how to write motivational quotes and you don't know how to edit the image, so don't worry, I will have one solution to create this gig. As a beginner you can start this gig at $5 only. Please don't set high pricing range. First step, we need to open our browser and search the motivation quotes. Now I get plenty of quotes ideas guys. I can scroll down below, you can see a lot of quotes. First I need to select the first website. It contains 50 motivational quotes. Yeah, now it open. I can scroll down below. You can see the quotes in text format. You can just copy any one of them quotes. I can copy the first quote and save it to my clipboard. It's time to creating a image. I suggest canva.com. Canva.com is a best platform to creating images. A lot of templates available to creating images. Guys, in description I give all the links in below. Now I open canva.com. Already told you guys, plenty of free templates available here, but we need quotes template. Most of the quotes images are 1:1 ratio, so I select the social media category. Now you can see a different type of templates here. You can use any template, which one is attract you, or if you want to create your own template, click the blank icon to create it. But I use the free templates. We can also create images in GIF format. I already select some templates. Now I select it and customize my own preference. I select this template and customize it. I paste my quotes in text area. Now I zoom my screen, select the person, which one you can edit. I just select this one and simply erase them and paste your text here. If you don't love this template, please using the drag and drop option to change your template. I changed my template. Now I select this and drag to my area. And they show some related key press. Just skip it now and our new template is loading. Yeah, now it's completed. Now you can change the color of the template using color icon and also change the elements. Using canva.com you can customize everything in the image, but some features available in only pro version. If you want that options you can purchase it. If you don't have any PC, you can just install our Canva app in Android mobile. It's available in Play Store. I hope you guys love this gig. My second gig idea is creating QR code. Nowadays, a lot of people want this service. First, what is QR code? Which means QR stands for quick response, but no matter how they contain. When people can scan the QR code, it allows the users to access information instantly. For example, if you want to go some website, don't typing the URL, just scan the QR code, you go to the website directly. Also, you can using this QR code to send SMS secretly to your loved one. When they scan the QR code, the message will be open. The more beautifully we create this QR code, the more money we can get and also get high selling rate. Now I search the competitor of this gig who provide these services in fiverr.com. I search QR code in the Fiverr search bar. Now you see a lot of people create a unique and attractive QR code, and the QR codes are different in shapes and colors. Most of the people offer this service at 386 price. As a beginner, you fix your price at 350. You don't need any coding knowledge to create this QR code. I will show you some free online tools to create unique QR code to your customer and start making money today in online. Yeah, plenty of free online services available in the internet, but I personally use Unitag. It contains a lot of customization options. Now I scroll down below, you will see some QR code. It look like neatly and the color are very attractive. Now you can also create QR codes to your social media profile. Okay, fine. How to create QR code? First select the template and change the color as your customer wish. Now I scroll down below using these boxes to change the color. Next, I change the eye color. I select the eye option. Now I scroll down below. You can see these boxes like you can change the color of the boxes using these three columns. Next one is uploading logo. I select this logo option. Now I scroll down. You can upload your custom logo manually. Final one is options. You can use these options to change the entire look of your QR code. Yeah, finally you can click the download option to download your QR code and send it to your customer. I hope you guys you love this gig. This is one of the top most selling gig in Fiverr. I hope you guys start this gig today and start making money online. My third gig idea is SEO audit. What is SEO audit? SEO audit is the process of analyzing web performance. The SEO report will help the people to improve their web performance and ranking in higher Google. For example, it's no secret that Google love a healthy website. In fact, site performance is a key factor in ranking. Running SEO audit will flag up any issue in their website has, and it helps people to know what they mistake in their blog or website. Now I show you the SEO audit price in Fiverr.com. Let's I open my browser. A lot of people offering these services, but most of people offering very high price like 2000, 4000, 7000. Yeah, now you see you don't need any coding or digital marketing knowledge to start this gig. I will introduce you a plenty of free SEO audit service available in internet. Uber suggest and more. Google also provide this service free. You can use Search Console to get the report, but I introduce one of the best online tool to get the report, SEO Analyzer from HDK. This is a free tool guys. We can get an in-depth SEO report in PDF format. Just paste the URL of our customer site in the rectangular box. Now I paste my own website address here and click the review option. Now I click the review button. It takes some little bit time guys to analyze our website. We can wait until it complete. Using this tool, we get a full report about the website like speed, content SEO, what they mistake and what they want improve in their site. Yeah, the process has been nearly 60% completed. Now I scroll down below. What is my SEO score? Yeah guys, my score is nearly 42. It's not worth but okay. Now I scroll down below. What I mistake in my website, it will show all the details about my site. Okay fine. How to download the report? Now I scroll above, click the download report option. Yeah, it's here. I click the download report. It's in green color. I hope you guys you love this 3 geek ideas. Now I skip this video because it's too long. So another 2 geek ideas I share my blog, link in below and check it guys. I hope this video has been helpful to you. I congratulate you advance for making a lot of money using this geek ideas guys. Thank you.